Okay, today I got a virtual onsite with Amazon with back-to-back 4 rounds. So I'm going to explain each round and the contents, my feeling. Okay, so round one, I was given a questions about some different array, and then the array has some word in the array. So basically, the output is that I'm going to give a final long array, which actually will complying with the orders for each of the subarray. So this question I didn't do good. I discussed with the interviewer, and then we came out with a solution, and then I continued to type the code. But after the whole day, I found out the solution may not be completely right. But anyway, the interviewer agreed with my thought initially, and then I've almost finished code. Besides, I didn't check this if there's a cycle between the so many input. Okay, let's go to the round two. So the round two is immediately after the round one. The round two questions, they give me a lot of behavior questions, like how I encounter conflicts in the team, and how did I deliver my story that's more than the stakeholder need. And yeah, I think the behavior questions for me is not that complicated because I can just describe what I did before. And then we jump into the code. The code question is kind of like lead code 297. I have to serialize the binary tree and then deserialize the binary tree. So initially I came with a solution is actually is not good because previously I was trying to give a make the binary tree as in order. So to use the pre-order to make a string, and then use the in order to make a string, and then use the two pre-order and input in order a string to reconstruct the tree. But that method is only suitable for the input as only unique elements in the tree. But for any binary tree, there maybe exists the duplicate elements. So the first solution it doesn't work. So I have to go to the second solution. Is that I was still going to use the pre-order, and then but when I encounter the lift, I will add the no to the string, and this is the problem. So you guys can go to the lead code 297. That's the round two. Okay, so let's go to the round three. Round three, actually the question is that there's no specific code signature. It's kind of only of the expression. So basically, let's say there are many shoes in Amazon, and some customers want to buy the shoes based on the criteria, like the colors, brand, etc. And then I need to write a code to meet this requirement. For me, I have back and forth communicated with the interviewer, and then turns out he wanted me to build a shoe class first. So I built a shoe class. I built a shoe class with a brand name and a price, size, and manufacturer, date of time, and it's for female or male, etc. So I have a shoe size, and then I'm going to have a shoe class, and then I need to write a function to return the list of shoes that is meet the customer's need. So what I did is that I need to also make another class as a filter. So this kind of filter only have two values. One value is attribute. The other value is value. So let's say for the input, I'm going to give multiple filter, right? And then to check the filter's attribute is equal to which shoes attribute, and then to see if the value is equal to the filter's value. If not, it means that this shoes is not meet the customer requirement, something like that. Okay, let's go to round four. So in the round four is kind of like a system design, but more specifically is a component design. So it's different from system design. I'm only be asked to design a component. It's kind of like WeChat. You can find the friends nearby. How are you going to design the program? So initially, I need to clarify because previously I prepared for the whole system design, but I didn't prepare for the component. So I need to clarify where is the data and how are we going to design the component. And that's one thing is that so we have some requirement like every moment we have like several millions users online at the same time, and then how are we going to calculate the query per second, and how to query, how to calculate, how to let the customer to get the most updated location from the friends. So firstly, we need to calculate your location and your friend's location. If it's within a certain amount of distance, then it is belong to the nearby. So I didn't do very good in this session, but I designed API. So what is input and what is output? The step one is that we're going to get the user's location and information, and then we're going to get all the friends information and the distance, and then we're going to calculate the distance and then find the distance is within the acceptable distance that's defined by the questions. And also I choose to use a synchronous server to periodically update the server. Honestly speaking, I didn't do very well in this round. So, and together with the round one, I guess most likely I'm going to fail in this session. But I can say my feeling in this interview. So basically, it's my first time to go over all the virtual onsite. So it's actually not that difficult as I thought. So basically, I need to have a very good conversation to clarify what is going on, how to explain the algorithm to make the because for me it looks like the interviewer don't even know how to solve the problem, and I need to help them to understand the algorithm. And when I write the code, we do not even need to run the code. So that's the thing that I didn't know before, because some company let you run the code on the spot. So yeah, okay. So that's all the things that I have today. Right. So the team is actually okay. So that's today. Hope you guys learned something. If you have some questions, leave your questions on the comment area. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. And okay, good luck.